Hey everyone, Renegade Design here, and today we're going to show you something truly exciting. This is the new carbon body kit for the BMW X5M LCI. If you own an X5M, you already have a powerful SUV. But if you want to make it more exclusive, aggressive and unique, this is how you do it. Let's start with the front bumper lip. It changes the whole front fascia dramatically. It makes it more wider, aggressive and exclusive. Next stop is the front bumper covers. It's a completely whole part that supports parking sensors, installed instead of the stock ones, and add more carbon fiber to the front look. Let's not forget about the front and lower grills. Unlike the other parts on the market, we don't stop on just trims. It's a whole big and complex pieces that fully made of carbon fiber and also installed instead of the stock ones. The front camera and Distronic integrated and works perfectly. Let's talk about the side parts. For the start is the whole new set of the carbon fiber arches. We didn't make them wider than stock, where you can keep your factory wheels, but they perfectly add a premium look to the side of the car. Also, we made the small parts like fender inserts, mirror covers and door handle inserts. It's a small touch, but they completely look, keep everything flowing together perfectly. Moving to the side skirts, they make the car look lower and aggressive, giving it real performance feel. Let's not forget about our custom forged wheels. For this project, we made a great design, gloss black 22 forged wheels by RNG Design. You can choose from 20 to 24 inches diameter. Any specs, design and color for your future wheels. Trust me, if you're installing this amazing kit, you really want it to highlight with the beautiful shoes. At the back we have two carbon fiber spoilers, roof spoiler and rabbit spoiler. They extend the original lights of the car, making it look even more sporty. Don't underestimate these parts. If you order the kit without them, the roof part of the back can look poor compared to the bottom. And for the bottom, we made my personal favorite part, the rear bumper diffuser in carbon fiber. All parking sensors are also perfectly fit for this diffuser. The last but not least, rear bumper wings. It's an additional part for those who want the rear look wider and even sportier. This is the small details, but makes a lot of difference. Now let's talk about the hood. It is the biggest part of this project that definitely stands out. It follows the original shapes, but adds more aggressive lines. Combining with this beautiful carbon wheel, it makes the final look astonishing, especially under the sunlight. At Renegade Design, we don't just sell bikes, we create something truly special. If you want your BMW X5M to be one of a kind in any point of the world, just contact us.